Okay, so we'll see you in the next class. Hamza. Okay, we'll do the remaining question in the next class.
Hello, Madhya. Hello, Abdullah. Good evening. Okay, Madhya, we have solved one question of investing activities in the previous class. So, have you tried any question? You have solved some question? You have uploaded it? Yes or no? Please upload it so that I can check. Hello, Maria. Hello, Saruk. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, Janumi. Good evening. Am I audible? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Maria, Janami, am I not audible to you?
Yes, sir, you are.
But you are not replying. Okay, so Janami disconnected. Okay, so in the previous class, we have completed the cash flow from investing activities. Tell me if you have if you have solved some question, the homework, and if you have any doubt. Anyone? If you have not solved, say no.
No, sir.
Can I ask why, Sharuk?
Today I will finish, sir.
Okay, today you will finish. That's good. Anyone else?
No, sir.
Why, Maria? You you have solved many questions, but you're not submitting any homework now.
Yes, sir. I'm kind of busy with schoolwork. I'll send it.
Okay. Janami, now your audio is working.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you tried any question? The assignment, the
Um,
previous class work?
I think I have two pending.
Two pending questions.
Yes.
Okay. So solve it, because if you will not solve it, then how you will know that you have problem, doubt or not. Okay, so today we are going to discuss cash flow from financing activities. Anyone have any question? No, I think. Okay, so it is cash flow from financing activities. Actually, I'm going a little bit slow in this chapter because this one is a difficult one, the chapter, the cash flow statement, not easy to understand. But step by step, once you go through all the steps, then it is easy to understand. So that's why I'm going slow. But still, if you have any doubt, you can ask question. So cash flow from financing activities. Good evening, Abdullah. Have you tried any question?
Sorry, sir?
Have you solved any question?
No, like from working. I just joined the class.
I'm asking that in the previous class, we have done a portion of investing activities. I have also given some homework. So have you solved any homework?
No, I mean from the homework part, I guess I haven't done.
Okay. So financing activities, these are related to activities includes cash inflow or outflow related to related to uh, raising fund for the business. So it changes, like if it is financing activities, obviously it will affect your the capital structure. Sorry, I didn't remember the word. So yes, it will affect your capital structure. Cash flow from financing activities. So Yes. Here it is. Cash inflow and outflow related to raising funds. It results in change in capital structure. You have already written this. Okay. Now, the format we are talking about, because we are going to solve the question of in financing activities. We have written all these theory before. So these things will be written in the format same as the investing activities. So format, so statement for cash flow from financing activities. So it is particular amount amount. Now there is inflow and outflow. So there is proceeds from issue of shares. Now issue of share can be equity share or preference share. So both we are assuming it is included here. Proceeds from issue of share. Then again proceeds from issue of debenture. So borrowed loan from bank. All these are outflow. You can see here all these are written, oh sorry, in inflow. So it is inflow, you will receive money. Then outflow, there will be all these repayment of these. So issue of share, buyback of equity share, then there is redemption of preference share or debenture, or debenture, repayment of loan, then payment of interest or dividend, so all these will be written in the same manner that we have written in cash flow from investing activities. So all the amount will be written inside, we will calculate total and write it outside. It is outflow, so it will be deducted. These are inflow, so it will be written first. Now from the total of inflow, we will deduct the total of outflow. Whatever balance you will get, either it is cash flow or used in financing activities. So please write this, the format, and tell me when you have completed this. Done.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now, to understand, actually, before starting the question, the solution part, so you have to understand the increase decrease part. Again, same. Actually, most of the part is same as the assets. Like there will be 2000, let's say 22, 2021. 2022, 2021. So now if we have, let's say 5 lakh in 2021, and it is sometime it will become 4 lakh in the quotient, sometime it will become 7 lakh in the quotient. So in the first case, it is decrease of 1 lakh. In the second case, it is increase of 2 lakh. So increase means we have issued share capital. We have received money because all these are, you can say, it is liability against someone. So if it is increasing, the liability is increasing, it means you have received the money. So if you have issued share or debenture or preference share or loan, anything, if it is decreasing means you have repaid the amount. Okay, so it should be written in outflow. And if it is increasing, then it means you have received the amount, so it should be written in inflow. That is the simple case. But the complicated one is the payment of interest and dividend. So you have to see the rate. Okay, if rate is given along with the name of preference share or debenture, like 10% debenture, 12% preference share, 15% preference share, so these can be given. So in that case you have to calculate interest or dividend on certain amount. So on which amount it will be calculated, 5 lakh or 4 lakh, 5 lakh or 7 lakh. You have to decide that on the basis of information given in the question. If it is not given, they can then we can assume it is either in the middle or the beginning or the last of the year. Okay, in most of the cases we will assume it is in the starting of the year. Okay, so that it will be easy to calculate. So there will be two types of dividend: final dividend or interim dividend. Okay, final dividend, obviously it is paid on the last balance, but interim dividend, it is paid during the year. So you will take the amount which is in between the year. So in the middle of year, whatever the amount outstanding, you will take that for calculation of interim dividend. So this is how you have to solve the question. Now I'm sharing a question. There are 2-3 questions in this. Can you see the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 32 is very easy one. In the beginning of the year, it was 2 lakh, and at the end of the year, it is 2 lakh 50,000. So there is a difference of 50,000. During the year, the company repaid a loan of 1 lakh. Means if you have repaid a loan of 1 lakh, then it should be 1 lakh only. If it is 250, it means you have taken a loan of 150 again. Okay, so repaid a loan of 1 lakh and taken a loan of 150 during the year. So repaid will be outflow and taken a loan of 150 will be inflow. That is very simple. Question number 33. Yes, 34 I will solve. That looks like a good question. So question number 34. So from the following extracts of balance sheet of EXE Limited, calculate cash flow from financing activities. So equity share capital is given 4 lakh in the beginning, 525 at the end. 550 preference share in the beginning, 4 lakh at the end. 1 lakh security premium reserve in the beginning, 225 at the end. Debentures 3 lakh in the beginning, 4 lakh at the end. Additional information. Equity shares were issued on 31st March 2020. Interim dividend, okay, date of issue is given. Means it is issued at the last date. So if you have to calculate dividend, it should be on this amount. Interim dividend on equity share was paid at the rate 15%. So on 4 lakh, we will calculate this amount. Preference share were redeemed on 31st March 2020. Okay, so this payment of preference share is also on the last date. It means any calculation will be done on this amount. So at a premium of 5%, premium paid was debited to a statement of profit and loss. 12% debenture of face value 1 lakh were issued on 31st March. So from 3 lakh it is 4 lakh. So it is again issued the debenture. So question number 34, we will solve this. Actually, it is not a difficult one. I thought the question is difficult, but it is not difficult. Okay, so this is a statement for calculation of cash flow from financing activities. Okay, so first of all, this is equity share capital. So it increased by 125 means we have issued the equity share. So there is one confusion. That's why I will wait to write the amount, but we have issued. So I'm writing proceeds from issue of equity share. I will write the final amount later. Issue of equity share. It is 125, increased by 125. Then 10% preference share capital, 550 and reduced to 4 lakh. So there is one information given in the question. Preference share were redeemed on 31st March 2020 at a premium of 5%. Premium paid was debited to a statement of profit and loss. Now, some student asked this question that what is the meaning of this? Premium paid was debited to a statement of profit and loss. Means generally any premium paid on redemption is deducted from security premium reserve, okay, which is given here. You can see, but question is saying that premium paid was debited to profit and loss, not security premium reserve. So in this change, there is no effect of this redemption. Okay, so that's why it is only increasing by 125. This is what I was waiting for. So it means increase in security premium is due to issue of share. So you have issued share of 125 plus premium 2 lakh. To premium is also 125, so 250. Then redemption of preference share. We have redeemed the preference share 550 to 4 lakh. So 150 and at 5% premium. So redemption of preference share. So it is 550, 4 lakh, 150 and 5%, it will be 7,500. 1,57,500. For this, we will calculate the amount. Premium on redemption. It will be 1,50,000, the difference, into 5%. So it will be 7,500. It means 150 plus 7,500, it is 157,500. Then security premium reserve already considered 12% debenture. From 3 lakh, it become 4 lakh. There is one additional information. It is issued on 31st March. So proceeds from issue of debenture 1 lakh. After that, equity share done. Interim dividend on equity share was paid at the rate 15%. Interim dividend is paid during the year and issued share at the end 31st March. So it means dividend will be calculated on this amount. So 4 lakh into, so interim dividend 4 lakh into 15%. So it is payment of dividend on equity shares 60,000. Then preference share already considered 12% debenture. Okay. Now there is two hidden information that we have missed. We have not written. So 10%. This 10% and this 12% is the hidden information they have given us. But if we will not consider it, then it will be a mistake. Our question solution will be incorrect. So 10% preference share capital. Now, question is also saying that we have redeemed the 150 at the end. It means 550 we have kept for whole year. So on this amount we have to pay dividend, preference dividend. So 5,50,000 into 10%. So it is payment of preference dividend payment of preference dividend. It is 1 lakh. Sorry, not 1 lakh. It is 5,50,000 into 10%, so 55,000. Then 12% debenture. Again, debenture is issued at the end, so we have to calculate the interest on this amount. So payment of interest on debenture. It is 36,000. Preference dividend 5,50,000 into 10%. So it is 55,000. Then interest on debenture. It is 3 lakh into 12%. So 36,000. We will calculate the total. It is 3,50,000 3,08,500. Now the balance will be 350 minus 3 lakh 8. Yes, so it is positive balance. So cash flow from financing activities. So this is the solution of financing activities. Tell me if you have any doubt, any part. All the issue and redemption is done at the end of the year. Okay, equity share issued at the end of the year, 31st March 2020. Preference share redeemed at the end of the year, 31st March 2020. Debentures are issued at the end of the year. So all the issue and redemption is done at the end. So that's why all the calculation of interest and dividend is done on the opening balance. So like on 4 lakh, we have calculated 15% for equity dividend. On 5,50,000, we have calculated 10% for preference dividend, and on 3 lakh, 12% for debenture interest. So these are your solution. Please write this, the solution. Question number 34 it is. And tell me if you have any doubt. Please write and tell me when you have completed. Okay, if it is completed, then we have to write some notes related to financing activities. Now, anyone of you know the bonus issue, bonus share? What is the meaning of bonus share, if anyone know? Okay, so there is two concept like this. One is called right shares, one is called bonus shares. I think right share cannot be given in your questions, but bonus share is given. I have seen one of the question in that bonus share part is included. Okay. So bonus share means when a company gives its shareholder free of cost any share. So like there can be ratio given for like one share for every one share bonus for every two share held, like this. They can give you the information, or 1:4 means for every four share they are giving one, or 1:1 means for every one share they are giving one share. So there can be different type of situation in bonus share, but the result is in bonus share you are not receiving cash. Bonus share is like you utilize your reserve for issuing bonus share. You're not giving dividend, you have accumulated the profit, and you uh, use that profit to issue the bonus share. Now there is no cash coming or going in this transaction. That's why it will not be recorded in the financing, operating, or investing anywhere. Generally the issue of share comes in financing activities, but if there is any component included in the quotient for bonus share, then we will not write it as inflow, because bonus share, due to this, you will not receive any cash. It is free of cost. If quotient is giving you information that okay, bonus share is issued and this much cash is received, then you can consider. Otherwise bonus share is free of cost, you don't have to consider it. This is the one situation. Then second one is called right issue. Right issue means when company gives a right to purchase share to the existing shareholder. Means if I have share of any company and the company is issuing right share. So right share is actually at discounted price. So company is giving me option to purchase more share at discounted price. Okay, so I can purchase the shares at a discounted price and later I can sell it, or whatever I want to do, I can do it. But first we have to purchase it by paying some value, the discounted price. And in this case, we are paying some money. That's why it will be recorded as inflow in the books. Okay, so we are paying, so company is receiving cash. So that's why for company it is an inflow. So right share, there will be some inflow. But for bonus share, there is no inflow of cash. So bonus share. Uh, so issue of bonus share is free of cost. That is no cash inflow. Therefore, it will not be recorded. In cash flow statement. Please write this. This is note number 1. Note number 1. And leave some space like 6 to 7 lines at least, so that if there is any other note, we can write it there. So bonus share, note number 1, bonus share. Oh, actually, there is one more item. Actually, there is bank overdraft and cash credit. Both are short-term borrowing, means current liabilities. But is part of, but it is part of financing activities, not operating. All the current assets and current liabilities are part of operating activities, but bank overdraft, cash credit, we consider it in financing activities. So please write this also. Tell me if you have completed.
Done, sir.
Okay, any question you have? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Anyone else have any question, any doubt in financing activities? Because after this, we will start the cash flow statement, the whole statement, because it is now only operating activities left. So we will complete the whole quotient. So tell me if you have any doubt, because if at this point you have doubt, it will be cleared. That will be good.
No, sir.
Okay. So if you don't have any doubt, then we will discuss the operating activities and full cash flow statement in the next class. Who is joining and disconnecting again and again? Okay, so that's all for today. You can leave.
Sir,
Yes.
sorry. Like, how is the issue of bonus share free of cost? Like, shares,
Bonus share is free of cost.
yeah, like shares are issued for some price, right?
Yes, but that's what I said. That one share bonus for every two share held. So if I have two share, companies like announcing that okay, take this share. So that is free of cost.
Oh, okay. Say. Thank you.
Any other
Okay.
question?
No, sir, no. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.
Thank thank you, sir. Bye.
Hi Nabil, Assalamu alaikum.
Yes, hello. Assalamualaikum.
Alaikum salam. कैसे हो आप?
Yes, I'm fine. Alhamdulillah.
Sure, good. Just give me a second, Nabil. Nabil, I won't be able to turn on the video for today बच्चे because अभी light cut out हुआ है, right?
Okay.
So ठीक है. So just allow me a second. Second, Nabil, अभी I don't have the. Okay, अब आ गया. I hope my screen is visible, Nabil.
Yes.
ठीक है. Okay, चलो. So यहाँ तक तो हमने कवर कर लिया था लास्ट क्लास में. एक सेकेंड नबील बचे 1 सेकेंड. नबील अगर मेरी वॉइस बीच में लैग हुई तो दैट वुड बी बिकॉज ऑफ द नेटवर्क बचे ठीक है. सो देयर इज सम नेटवर्क इशू बचे ठीक है.
Okay.
ठीक है. ओके एक सेकेंड. सिमेट्री हम लोगों ने कर लिया था और हम लोग कर रहे थे. चलो ये क्वेश्चन करो जरा नबील. 4th to 8th.
Which one?
ये वाला. ये एक ट्रेपीजियम बनाना है आपने मतलब काइट बनानी है आपने. पहले क्वेश्चन में दूसरे में रोम्बस बनाना है तीसरे में रेक्टेंगल उसके थ्रू आपको एंगल्स निकालने हैं. प्लीज जल्दी से मुझे बताओ सारे करेक्ट आंसर्स इसके. नबील, आई एम जस्ट कमिंग बैक इन अ मोमेंट बच्चे, ठीक है? अभी आप ये क्वेश्चन करो, अभी 1 मिनट में आता हूँ, ठीक है? ठीक है नबील, हेलो।
Okay, okay.